The magnificent Bass Rock, formed over 320 million years ago, a great volcanic plug of a whopping 30,000 square metres, sitting in the Firth of Forth just off North Berwick, and home to the world's largest colony of around 150,000 northern gannets. A seabird utopia. The scientific name of Morus basinus, meaning strong and masculine, is fitting for such a magnificent creature. Identified by their bright white plumage, black wingtips, long beak and neck, these impressive creatures jostle for space on the rock, and squabbles often break out among the nesting pairs. With an impressive wingspan of just under 2 metres, these majestic birds noisily take to the skies to feed their young guga. They can reach speeds of around 60 miles per hour and plunge dive to the depths of 15 metres to catch anchovies, sardines, squid and haddock. They are well equipped for the job, with special membranes in their eyes and rock-hard skulls to protect them from the impact of hitting the water. The colony can eat a whopping 200 tons of fish daily, and adults must feed their young for 11 to 12 weeks. It's an impressive sight, and one that David Attenborough himself once called one of the wonders of the animal kingdom.